he did something good. He didn't let the ark fall. Not only that, he was the priest's son. He should have known what to do. It seemed like he did a good act, but God killed him on the spot. Let me tell you, God got his own perfect way. God got his own perfect plan. And David said, take the ark to Obed-Edom's house. David was mad. He said, how can I bring the ark on home? How can I get God's presence in the house of me? What am I going to do? He was displeased, and the Bible said some months went by, and he found out that the house of Obed-Edom was being blessed by the ark. And he said, maybe it's time to bring the ark on home. And the Bible said that he researched. He looked back to find out what was the proper way of bringing the ark on home. Let me tell you something. If you don't know what God requires, just get in his word. If you don't understand what God needs, just start reading his word. His way is perfect. His way is holy. His way is honorable. His way is what he requires. David got on the garments of a priest. The priest began to carry the ark on their shoulder because that was what they required. And the Bible said that every 6 paces he stopped and he offered sacrifices unto the Lord. Every 6 paces he killed the bullocks and the goats, and he offered what was required unto the Lord. And the Bible